Hello, I am doing an unboxing demonstration from Amazon. These here mechanical pencils by My Life Unit. They are an Amazon choice. And it's a nice set, I gotta say. Comes with two different colored mechanical pencils that have a really good feel to them. They feel really, really good. And they are 2B. Right there it says. And I think you can change that by turning the thing, I'm not sure, but it came with the 2.0 millimeter leads in a nifty box. Looks like it's basic lead filling, you know, not too hard. They're really thick, they're really big. They have 5 stars on them. That's really super cool. So I feel like that this should last a while. And take good care of them and they'll take good care of you. There's 10 leads in each. And of course they're going to be 2B. But they came together in this box package just like this. It says that they're good and it has a nice picture on the front. The picture is important. I guess they're insinuating that someone used those pencils there to draw the picture. So I think that's probably what happened. So if you buy these, I guess you can draw this picture or draw your own, whatever. So that is so far what I gotta say about these. Well, it came out with a very, very fine point, which is awesome. So I'm just doodling. I'm just doodling a little, just some lips. See how it does on the shading. And so far it's drawn pretty good. I'm no artist, but we'll see. So I did a little doodling with them. They work really good. They're nice and light. The pencil itself is pretty light. It's easy to push new lead out. It draws really good. I mean, I'm not a really good artist, but I mean, I try, you know. I think that they do good sharp point. They do good shading. Put it all the way down on this side. Excellent for shading. You still have your sharp tip. So far I'm going to give these like 100% so far. I think they're awesome and I love them. They're great. I'll report if things change. Okay, so once again, these are 2.0 size lead My Life Unit from Amazon. And stunning B, the price of these were only $6. So I feel like these were a good deal for $6, and I would get them again or get them for my friends that like to draw and stuff. As a matter of fact, one of these is actually a gift to someone who really likes to draw too, so I'm sure they'll be very pleased with these pencils, these mechanical lead pencil sets that are 2.0 millimeter, so 2.0 millimeter with lead refills, like 10 of them. Thank you so much for watching.